So here, the moment you started with it, these are the 6 steps you have. Install the agent, create a dashboard, install 3 integrations, I'll teach you, create a monitor, invite 3 teammates, and submit custom reports. Okay. So here when we say install agent, it's like the same agent which I've been talking about. How to install the agent, I'll teach you, I'll show you that. It's a self-service again. Create a dashboard also, I'll show you. Install 3 integration, will set it up with Apache, Tomcat, MySQL, Docker, Kubernetes, and various other integration. And then create a monitor, like when something goes wrong, we have to take some actions. We have to create a monitor, and we will invite to collaborate this stuff and then submit a custom test. So these are the things we'll do that. So in terms of integration, there are 400 integrations are available. Custom integrations are also available through the APIs. This agent is open source, the Datadog agent, so you can also customize if you want it. So there are 4 different types of integration are available. Agent based integration, authentication based integration through crawl, like a Slack, AWS, Azure, PagerDuty. Library integration is also available, like programming integration for the primarily for the APMs and all. And you can also do the custom check also. Complete list of Datadog core integration, which is a more than 400, which is available at this URL, github.com/Datadog integration core. And community integrations are also available. You can find it this URL. I'll show you this.